Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-time traveling back nearly 2,000 years to one of history's most famous disasters, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79. This cataclysmic event buried the Roman city of Pompeii under a thick blanket of ash and rock, freezing it in time. For centuries, archaeologists have been carefully uncovering this ghost city, revealing stunning frescoes, everyday objects, and the haunting remains of its residents. But what if I told you that a huge part of Pompeii has been missing this whole time? The upper floors of its buildings, exposed to the elements for centuries, simply decayed and vanished. We've been looking at a city with its top half cut off. For a long time, researchers didn't pay much attention to these missing levels. The common belief was that they were just simple living quarters for the poor or enslaved people. The real treasures, the statues and elaborate paintings, were all on the ground floor. But now, a new project called Pompeii Reset is completely changing how we see the city's skyline, thanks to some seriously cool tech. A team from Germany's Humboldt University and the Archaeological Park of Pompeii is using what's called digital archaeology. Think of it like a high-tech detective story. They use LiDAR scans, drones, and super detailed photography to create a perfect 3D digital twin of Pompeii's ruins as they are today. Then, the real magic begins. They analyze this digital model for clues like holes in a wall where wooden beams once sat, or patterns that suggest where a staircase used to be. Using this evidence, they can digitally rebuild the lost parts of the city. This process led them to an incredible discovery at one of Pompeii's most luxurious homes, the Casa del Tiasso. Inside, they found a massive stone staircase leading up. At the top, indentations in the walls hinted at another, wooden staircase that went even higher. When they plugged all this into their 3D model, the conclusion was inescapable. This wasn't just another floor, it was a tower. Now, towers weren't thought to exist inside Roman cities. They were a feature of grand country villas, symbols of wealth and power where the elite could host banquets with breathtaking views. Roman author Pliny the Younger even wrote about enjoying sunrises and sunsets from a tower at his own villa. But within the crowded city walls, it was unheard of, partly because religious rituals required clear sight lines to the sky. This discovery suggests that the wealthiest citizens of Pompeii were bending the rules, bringing the grandeur of country living right into the heart of the city. The owner of the Casa del Tiasso likely used this tower to show off his status, entertain guests with a view of the Gulf of Naples, or maybe even indulge in a bit of popular, though sometimes forbidden, astrology. What's fascinating is that these towers have been hiding in plain sight all along. We've seen them in Roman wall paintings, but archaeologists always dismiss them as artistic fantasy. This new evidence suggests those paintings might have been more realistic than we ever imagined. This digital detective work is painstaking. The team says it's a slow process of proposing ideas, testing them in the 3D model, finding new clues, and constantly cross-referencing with other buildings. Unlike a 2D drawing, a 3D digital model has to be structurally perfect from every angle, forcing the researchers to truly understand how these ancient buildings worked. They can even use video game technology to create virtual walkthroughs, allowing us to experience what it was like to be at a banquet in that tower, or to feel the oppressive conditions in a nearby bakery. This technology doesn't just rebuild stones. It helps us ask new questions about life, society, and class in ancient Pompeii. The Pompeii Reset project has no end date. The goal is to digitally preserve as much of this incredible heritage as possible, especially as the physical ruins face threats from weather and time. With a third of Pompeii still buried, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered, both in the ground and in the digital world. This is a reminder that even after centuries of study, Pompeii still has the power to surprise us. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history and technology. See you in the next one.